You're going to be, oh, whoopsies, you did not see nothing. We're going to be riding hoverboard, and we're also going to be playing with my new fidget spinner. You ready? In 3, 2, 1, 0. It's super big. Hold on. That's not the only thing I can spin. So that's not the only thing you can spin. You could also spin. Alright, let's ride. This one's hard to spin with one hand, but Brother Lakin, you probably cannot wait until I come over next weekend. Oh, sorry about that. Wop 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 yeah yeah yeah. Wah 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 yeah yeah yeah. It does not look like it's going very fast, but it is. Look at how many dots this I did. Alright. I almost dropped the camera. I don't know how it's which way. Let's turn back and go the other way. Excuse me. Oh, I almost fell. That really does not look like that's going very fast, but it is going so fast. Yeah. Attack. Attack. Look at the ground, look how fast I'm going. Because if you look up there, it doesn't look fast, but if you look right here, speed, 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 speed is the key, speed is the key. Speed is key, speed is the key. Yeah, hey, 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 hey. We're back, we're back, we're back, we're back. Do, 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 do. We're back, we're back, we're back, we're back. Beep, 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 whoa. Look at this hole. I'm stuck. Sight. Winging our diggy go. Whoa, whoa. Alright, now it is time to do nothing. Get ready for this trick. Never been done in history of hoverboards. Hold on. Wait for it. 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 Ready. Set. Oh. I've been done in history. Yeah. Hold on, I'll get y'all a better glimpse of it. Oh, forgot about this thing. You ready for this trick? 3, 2, 1, and you see the difference? You ready? Set. Ready for another one? Look, this is even ground. This is the only ground. Now look at this. And it's time for the rock. Rocks. Hoverboard. Alright, this is going to end the video here. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.